Assalamu alaikum everyone. On the behalf of Dr. A.Q. Khan School System, I welcome you all to the second online class of subject English for grade 6. In the previous lesson, we have done the reading of the chapter. Today we will start the exercise of chapter number 1. I request all of you to please bring your books and open page number 5. At the top of your page, there is a statement written, do you celebrate any festivals in your city? What kind of festivals have you gone to? First, I will tell you about what festival is. Festival is a gathering of people to celebrate something. It can also refer to a particular day or group of days when people in a country have a holiday so that they can celebrate something. It may be religious festivals or events with features, music, dancing, poetry, etc. Now we will start the reading. Some unusual celebrations. Unusual means different, not habitually or common occurring. Many people around the world know about festivals such as Christmas, Eid, and Carnival. But did you know that there are other festivals around the world that are much unusual? Lately, one that has become a popular tourist attraction is the monkey buffet. In Lopburi, Thailand, so many monkeys have come to the town that tourists have started to visit to see the monkeys. To encourage the monkeys to stay, the businessmen in the city have planned a terrific dinner once a year. The dinner is not for the people though, it is for the monkeys. A countless supply of fruit and other foods are put on the table in an outdoor gathering area of the city, and monkeys swarm like bees. In Japan, they have held a festival for many years called Konaki Sumo. It is based on the Japanese proverb, crying baby grow fast. Parents from all around the country bring their babies to see if they can get them to grow well. How do they do that? No, they don't spank them or do anything mean to them. They simply let them be held by a giant sumo wrestler. A clown stands by to keep the babies entertained while they are being held, and the babies that start crying first is the winner. What you have to do is you have to look for the meaning of the underlined words in the passage, and for the practice you have to do is you have to think of the festival that we being a Muslim celebrates, or any other festival which is unusual that we celebrate being a Muslim. Now we will start the comprehension. As you have seen the video, I hope all of you now know about the comprehension and how to do the comprehension. Exercise number A. Write down 3 important facts about each festival. First is Monkey Buffet. It celebrates in Thailand. It is the dinner for the monkeys, and it is usually to promote the tourism in the area. These are the 3 important facts of Monkey Buffet. Second is Konaki Sumo. It celebrates in Japan. The duty is to make baby cry, and they make baby cry to add prosperity and ward off demons. These are the 3 important facts of Konaki Sumo. Exercise number B. Finish the sentences with the word from the story. These are the simple filling the blanks, and you have to look for the words from the passage. Number 1. At the Konaki Sumo, the baby that starts crying first is the winner. The monkey buffet has become a big tourist attraction and bring business to the city. Number 3. The amount of food at the monkey buffet is so large it is served in an outdoor gathering area of the city. Now open page number 6. Exercise number A. Read, change and say. Replace the highlighted words with the new words. Number 1 is we have gone to the mountains. You have to change have gone because this is the highlighted word, and you have to change this highlighted word with the words given below. We have hiked in the mountains. Second, we have seen the mountains. Number 3, we have traveled to the mountains. Number 4, we have climbed the mountains. Second, Emily has run the race. Has run is the highlighted words. So you have to change it from the words given below. Emily hasn't lost the race. Number second, Emily has finished the race. Number 3, Emily has won the race. Number 4, Emily has watched the race. Now exercise number B. Read, then change to a statement, question, or negative. All of you know that the sentence which ends with the question full stop is a statement. The sentence which ends with the question mark is a question, or the sentence in which no or not is used becomes a negative sentence. So number 1, hasn't Dora gone to the store? Question mark. Dora hasn't gone to the store. That is a statement. Number 2, you have heard that concert before. This is a statement because it ends with the full stop and we have to change this statement into a question mark. Have you heard that concert before? Question mark. Number 3, haven't they finished the job? Question mark. And we have to change this question into a statement. They have finished the job, full stop. Number 4, Alan has been to Italy, full stop. This is a statement and we have to change it into a negative sentence. It will become Alan has not been to Italy, full stop. Exercise number C. Write have or has in the blank. Have is a root verb generally used alongside with the pronouns like I, you, we, they, or plural nouns. Have is a present tense word. On the other hand, has is used alongside the pronouns like he, she, it, and who, and with the singular nouns. Singular noun refers to one person, animal, or things, etc. Number 1, Mario and Steven dash ridden the new roller coaster. As you have seen, the underlined word Mario and Steven. These are two people. So in the blank, Mario and Steven have ridden the new roller coaster. Number 2, Maxine dash seen the water show. Maxine is a singular word. So in the blank will Maxine has seen the water show. Dash Carl and I been to England before. Carl and I are two persons, so it will become have Carl and I been to England before? Question mark. Number 4, I am surprised that they have tried skydiving before because they is the plural noun. So students, this is all for today. Inshallah, in the next lesson we will do the writing of this chapter. Dear students, in case of any query, you are welcome to send a text on school contact number. We will address your queries there. See you next week inshallah. Take care. Allah Hafiz.